Starting around 09 October 2023, Star Atlas DAO essentially generally is exchanging at 12 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.3% in truly kind of most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Polis in every practical sense, by and large has a sort of complete market cap of $18,719,822, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $196,103, which for the most part shows that Polis generally has a fundamentally all-out market cap of $18,719,822, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $196,103 in an unobtrusive manner. This for the most part makes Star Atlas DAO, Polis, in every practical sense, positioning at 586 in the digital money market, which by and large certainly is genuinely huge. In the event that you fundamentally truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2023, what will Star Atlas DAO truly sort of be in every practical sense worth in 2023, which generally is genuinely critical. Is Star Atlas DAO a sort of wise venture or really worth purchasing in 2023, or so they thought, in spite of mainstream thinking? Will Polis cost especially certainly outperform its unequaled pretty extremely high in an essentially enormous manner in a significant way? These generally are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polis's future in an unobtrusive manner, in spite of prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, Value Expectation 2023. As per the Star Atlas DAO Gauge Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2023, the Polis cost explicitly is supposed to for the most part certainly cross an essentially truly normal value level of 12 cents, the normal kind of least value worth of Star Atlas DAO, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to in a real sense be 12 cents. Or so they thought. Besides, Polis can essentially explicitly arrive at an especially most extreme value level of 13 cents in a very especially large manner. Star Atlas DAO Value Expectation August 2023. The cost of Star Atlas DAO in a real sense is explicitly anticipated to explicitly in every way that really matters reach it in all things considered genuinely least worth of $0.096 in August 2023, or so they in a real sense thought. The Polis cost could generally arrive at a truly greatest worth of 11 cents, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of 11 cents all through 2023, in an unpretentious manner in a sort of enormous manner. Star Atlas DAO Value Expectation September 2023. Star Atlas DAO cost really is supposed to generally sort of reach between 11 cents to 11 cents in September 2023. While the truly normal cost of Polis for the September sort of explicitly remains around 11 cents. Star Atlas DAO Value Conjecture October 2023, the kind of normal cost of Star Atlas DAO, Polis, could entirely go to 11 cents toward the finish of October 2023, which sort of is very huge, which by and large is very critical. Polis could truly be exchanging around a genuinely most extreme worth of 12 cents, with the truly least expected cost of 11 cents, in a kind of large manner. Polis Value Estimate November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Star Atlas DAO sort of truly is supposed to by and large arrive at an especially least value worth of 11 cents, really in spite of mainstream thinking, in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Polis cost could basically in every practical sense arrive at a truly most extreme cost of 12 cents, with the sort of typical cost around 12 cents, which by and large is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO Value Gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO most certainly is supposed to essentially be at around and in every way that really matters, least of 12 cents in a sort of enormous manner. Star Atlas DAO cost can generally arrive at a limit of 13 cents, with the fundamentally normal cost of 12 cents in United States dollars, or so they certainly especially thought. Star Atlas DAO decently kind of past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Star Atlas DAO's cost most certainly has shown a great increment of 2.58% in the genuinely most recent 24 hours. Star Atlas DAO truly is confronting a quite tough time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins. The Polis certainly especially is down to nearly 2.19% over the most recent 7 days, certainly further appearance how in the event that you very are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically generally is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2023, what will Star Atlas DAO really be fundamentally worth in 2023? which for the most part is genuinely critical in a significant manner. The coin certainly is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for actually essentially past lovely few days. The coin could truly have serious areas of strength for genuinely yet. We don't sort of explicitly imagine that it would a beneficial resource and sort of truly transient in a truly significant manner and a fundamentally significant manner. Inside the especially truly most recent 1 month, the cost of Polis especially diminished by 51.641%, killing an incredible essentially normal amount of 13 cents from its beautiful kind of current worth, showing that inside the in every practical sense, by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of Polis in a real sense really diminished by 51.641%. Taking out an astounding reasonably extremely normal amount of 13 cents from its genuinely current worth, which fundamentally is very critical amazingly. This unexpected down generally certainly implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be a very decent especially purchase a potential open door for genuinely speedy venture, demonstrating the way that Star Atlas DAO cost can all things considered truly arrive at a pretty truly limit of 13 cents with the very normal cost of 12 cents in United States dollars. Which most certainly especially is very critical, which is very huge. Star Atlas DAO Value Gauge 2023 Facts. What will quite be Star Atlas DAO especially worth in 2023, especially lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking? The Polis value sort of by and large is determined to sort of essentially arrive at a truly greatest degree of 13 cents, with kind of least cost of 12 cents, toward the finish of 2023 in an unpretentious manner, or so they sort of thought. Star's Atlas DAO have a future, all things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking. As far as value, Star Atlas DAO essentially generally has an exceptional extremely beautiful potential to explicitly sort of arrive at new levels in an unpretentious manner, which sort of is genuinely critical. It actually explicitly is conjecture that Polis will increment in esteem, so Star Atlas DAO value expectation August 2023. The cost of Star Atlas DAO especially really is in every practical sense anticipated to especially reach at a very least worth of $0.096 in August 2023 in a sort of significant manner in spite of prevalent thinking. As per for the most part commonly unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Star Atlas DAO can commonly raise a ruckus around town of outright greatest cost of $0.024 till 2030, showing that in a real sense truly is Star Atlas DAO a wise venture or certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Is Star Atlas DAO most certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in a very significant manner? Star Atlas DAO's worth by and large is supposed to generally keep on growing, as lack will in general especially basically empower cost rise, showing that Star's Atlas DAO essentially have a future, which explicitly truly is genuinely huge in an unpretentious manner. Kindly note, there for the most part is a gamble to any venture, so Star's Atlas DAO especially have a future, which actually certainly is genuinely critical.